What do you have to say about this beautiful spread of
Can I,
food? What do you want to say
can I
about
mix
this?
my
That's beautiful, by the way. What
homemade. Oh, I gotta taste it first. It's pretty good.
is it really?
This is homemade
Uh-oh.
dressing.
Homemade dressing. Wow. So we have butter crunch lettuce in here. We have nasturtium flowers. We have onions. Anything else? Chickpeas?
Chickpeas,
Chickpeas.
butter crunch lettuce.
Butter crunch lettuce. And just some of the fruits that we're collecting on a daily basis. We just go out and pick our food and come on back in. Whatever falls off the vine, we just go ahead and use it and cut it up. Isn't that beautiful? How moist that is. Oh my gosh, it's so moist. It's beautiful. It's contagion. Guys, Torpedo Pot grows your food for you. You can have food. All right, so what you doing here, buddy?
This is homemade dressing.
Okay, all right. I like this. Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Very good.
Very, very good.
Just make sure you mix it very well.
Okay,
You usually get a whisker.
okay.
That will help to make sure it's mixed.
Okay. What are you mixing in there?
This is honey and olive oil and apple cider vinegar.
Okay. What type of taste are you trying to? You think you're going to
A little
try?
bit of sweet, a little bit of olivey.
Okay. Olivine? What's that mean? Like a lemony taste?
Yeah, like a weedness.
Okay. Now tell me what's in this salad again before you mix it up. What's in there?
Olive oil,
Uh huh.
honey,
Okay.
and apple cider vinegar.
Okay. All right. Wow, that's amazing.
Let's drizzle this
Okay.
onto our salad
Wow. Look at that. Man.
and see what it's yielding here.
Wow.
You'll be the first person to taste it.
Hey man, somebody had to go to the moon.
Okay, put some in your cup bowl.
Should I cut up a tomato on the side, or throw a little hot pepper in there or something, or cut up an eggplant?
That's peppers in there. Put some peppers in there.
Oh, you have peppers in it? Oh wow.
Taste it. It won't be a mistake.
So you have peppers, you have nasturtium, you have chickpeas, butter crunch lettuce, nasturtium flowers, you have tomatoes. What else you got in here? Peppers?
Peppers.
Peppers. And you just put honey?
Dressing, homemade dressing.
Homemade dressing.
Yes.
Wow, dude, that's going to be such a good meal. Wow, it must be a Saturday. Man, Torpedo Pot is no joke, man. You got to get a Torpedo Pot. My goodness. I'm eating, dude. I'm eating fresh. I'm eating good every day, man. That's amazing. Look at this. This is amazing. Oh, my gosh. You need to have a Torpedo Pot. Man, if you're not getting food like this every day, man, dude, leave home. I mean, wow, look at that, man. That's fantastic. Sheesh, thank you. Man, thank you very much. I appreciate that.
See what you get.
Can I get, you got a fork in this thing? I can chunk down on this way? See what this tastes like? So, we have,
What does it taste like, Mr. Edison?